Hello everyone, I'm Satish, your host for today's episode of Here and Now. Welcome to our 160th episode where we bring to you all the know-how of the ever-evolving insurance world. So, let's deep dive into the significant updates and latest news from the insurance industry. The first story of the day from Mint talks about the government's ambition to improve the health insurance scheme for socio-economically challenged families. The Union Health Ministry plans to expand the scope of its flagship cashless health insurance scheme, covering more expensive cancer and transplant related surgeries and treatment for individuals from underprivileged families. Previously, the ministry had included certain basic oncology treatments such as chemotherapy and radiation, as well as kidney and heart transplants and dialysis under the scheme called Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. However, the government plans to include more complex treatments costing rupees 20 lakhs to 30 lakhs under the scheme. The Ayushman Bharat scheme was meant to offer cashless treatment for secondary and tertiary care of up to rupees 5 lakhs per person in a year in both government as well as in empaneled private hospitals. In 2018, health insurance penetration in India was only about 35%, according to Statista.com. However, as of September 2023, about 600 million families earning less than rupees 2.5 lakh in a year were issued Ayushman Bharat cards, helping provide timely and necessary medical care to individuals. The scheme currently lists 1,109 packages and 1,949 procedures across 20 sales specialties. Currently, patients can avail of free treatment at 23,700 private hospitals empaneled under the scheme, with the government reimbursing the hospitals as per its estimate of the treatment cost. Moving on, the story from the Economic Times highlights the launching of new venture by Star Health and Allied Insurance Company. The company will be launching a new venture in the health insurance sector called Galaxy Health and has applied for preliminary license to set up this new venture. Once preliminary approvals, also known as R1, received, they will work on the shareholding structure and most likely will bring in an equity partner. During this R1 or first approval stage of insurance company registration, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India or IRDA scrutinizes documents such as Memorandum of Association, annual reports and business projections. The regulator raises queries and seeks clarifications before approving the R1 later. This is followed by an R2 application where the company needs to show paid up equity share capital. The launching of the venture has been initiated taking into consideration the fastest growing health insurance segment within general insurance and is projected to grow at CAGR of 23% until 2030. Shifting gears, the news from Trinity Mirror discusses application upgraded by HDFC Ergo. The private sector general insurance company has made a significant upgrade to its Here app for a better customer experience. India has one of the highest numbers of diabetes cases, with 100 million Indians having diabetes and 136 million being pre-diabetic. These numbers are expected to rise in the coming years. Considering the conditions, the company has introduced Diabetes COE in association with Fitterfly, which is aimed to help users with diabetes management techniques by offering personalized health and wellness programs, leading to better health outcomes and lower healthcare costs for the users. The app helps users get personalized diet plans, exercise routines, medication reminders, and continuous monitoring tailored to each health profile, lifestyle, and preference. Additionally, the app provides guidance and educational material to support the mental well-being of patients and help them make informed decisions. The story from the Free Press Journal is about Home First Finance Company getting a corporate agent license. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India has granted a corporate agent composite license to the company to offer life, general and health insurance products as informed by the company. A corporate agent composite is allowed to have ties with 9 insurers in each of the life, general, and health insurance categories, wherein the license will be valid for 3 years. Home First Finance Company India is primarily engaged in the business of lending housing loans, loans to purchase commercial property, loans against property, and construction finance. And with that, we wrap up today's episode. We hope you found these news stories informative and insightful. Our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until next time, take care, goodbye, have a wonderful day ahead.